Libra anger. At some point and on some days, Libra can get very snappy. If someone repeatedly disrespects them despite their efforts to placate and accommodate, the Libra man or woman can unleash claws other people might never suspect they had. Although Libra tends to dislike physical violence, they can be very sharp-tongued and sarcastic. With their words, Libras can easily make a fool of belligerent and uncouth individuals who act as though the world revolves around them. Stressful situations in general can make Libra very neurotic and testy. With Libra, maintaining balance in their life is vital to their emotional well-being. When their life is upside down, they can become uncharacteristically fussy and get triggered by relatively innocuous things. This can poison their personal lives and cause them to lash out and take their grievances out on loved ones and others close to them. Ironically, Libras are good at hiding this from the rest of the world and can maintain a public facade that makes them appear as though they have it all perfectly together. Libras can be sensitive to criticism, at least when it is coming from what they perceive as salty, jealous people. They seek to protect their image and desire to be well liked by most. However, Libras will discover, like the rest of us, that you cannot please everyone and some people will have negative perceptions and judgments about them regardless of what they do. Although Libras have the reputation for being the diplomats and goodwill ambassadors of the zodiac, they don't take kindly to personal attacks against them and their character. However, the very act of being put in that situation can irritate them. They don't like having to defend themselves in that way, especially with regards to their private life. They typically seek to keep things respectful, friendly, and above board, and so when someone goes out of their way to offend them and stir up conflict, it can arouse Libra's fury. On the other hand, cynical Libras who are somewhat insecure can sometimes develop a get them before they get me attitude that leads them to push people's button preemptively. Libra is a sign that is typically opposed to violence in general. Despite this, there are a number of professional fighters born under this sign. Libras are sensitive to the mistreatment and pain of others and can become vehement against those who cause it. Libras tend to have a very good heart and spirit that seeks to preserve and protect that which is precious and vulnerable. As a sign who has keen sense of balance and fairness, Libra can become embittered by what they believe to be gross miscarriages of justice, not just in the court of law but in their everyday life. Unreciprocated gestures and inconsiderations from others can also be taken badly by Libra. As one of the more romantic signs, Libra seek to be appreciated and recognized for what they do for others. Although they can be very generous and accommodating, they don't like feeling taken for granted. If they feel their relationship with others is lopsided, where they are putting in way more than they are getting back in return, it can foster negative feelings and resentment in the Libra person. Libras would always prefer to keep the peace and are genuinely very nice people. However, should they ever feel threatened, they will not back down. Unlike some of the other more feisty signs of the zodiac, Libras are not irrational hotheads and possess the ability to be logical, calculating, and patient. This means they are definitely not the types of people that you want to get on your wrong side. Instead of acting out of sheer emotion, they will think carefully about their next move and always make moves and decisions which will be advantageous to them and not simply based on emotion. Libra is allergic to bullshit. Since honesty is such a big trait of the Librans, it is also something that they look for in others. And if you're lying, they can almost always tell. They have an almost sixth sense for detecting when someone is feeding them bullshit, and if you're fake with them, they'll have no time for you. Libra tries not to get too caught up in petty dramas and meaningless gossip. They prefer to focus on the things that are most important, including their friends, family, and chasing their dreams. They will not take any crap from anyone. Don't assume that you know what a Libra does and doesn't know. A Libra always know more than they let on and thinks about things more than most people realize. People often underestimate them in this way, but the Libra will just use this to their advantage. Libra takes loyalty seriously, and if you try to mess with one of their pack, there will be consequences. They look out for those that mean the most to them, and if you're planning to messing with the loved one of a Libra, then you'll make 2 enemies instead of just one. Libras prefer honesty over anything. If you ask them a question, you'll get a straight answer. You can trust them with your life, but they expect the same back. Any sneakiness, and they won't respect or trust you anymore. They don't hold anything back. A Libra doesn't believe in hiding their feelings or giving half-truths about a situation. They will give you the full story, and you can either take it or leave it. They don't apologize for what they say most of the time because they feel no need to say sorry for speaking their truth. Trying to ignore a Libra, they have the worst time coping with being ignored, but they won't go down and beg for your attention. Libras have long memory because Libra is the silent savage of the zodiac. They're going to have proof of any conversation you'll have ever had at least 5 years prior. Do not cross them and you'll be the one that regret it. Libra will not sit by and let themselves be abused repeatedly emotionally or physically. They are tough creatures who refuse to play the victim, and if you're hurting them, then they aren't afraid to simply bail altogether and cut you from their life. They are forgiving but never forget. The calm, balanced, diplomatic Libra is not easily angered. Even at the verge of their rage, they will hold back, think twice, and put up the sweetest poker face. They tend to take note of all the things they hate about the situation and then mentally file them away to use against you later on. They have a very sharp memory, so don't be surprised that when they finally confront their anger, you'll be hearing about all your mishaps even from a year ago. Libras, when mad, can be like the steam in a pressure cooker. They have to let everything out. If not, everyone who comes their way may be in great trouble. Libras have the tendency to bring ill, not stop until you yield to what they want. They do not tolerate injustice and they will do anything in their power to stop it. Libras have a fire when it comes to humanitarian causes and they get mad about things very easily, so beware. Thanks for watching the video.